This is number system math. Here the math says the difference between two number is 5. The difference between their square is 65. What is the larger number? We know larger number bx, smaller number by, because the question says two number, then larger number x, then smaller number y. According to the first condition, their difference between means x minus y. First condition, okay, x minus y equal 5, equation 1. Second, the difference between their square, the difference between, okay, x minus y and their square equal 65, equation 2. Now we get equation 2, x square minus y square is 65, x plus y, x minus y. We know formula x square minus y square formula, x plus y into x minus y, 65, x plus y multiply by x minus y value 5, 65, then 13, we do calculate 13, x plus y 13. Okay, equation, we give it equation 3. Next, equation 3 plus equation 1, x plus y 13, this add x minus y 5, add plus minus y cancel, 2x equal 13 plus 5, 18, x equal 9, the larger number 9. This is answer in this math.